Nosegay Public School sets new standard of excellence. Akshara Gupta, a bright student of class 11, has made us all proud by qualifying for the pre-final round of prestigious astronomy and astrophysics competition.
She has achieved this feat among 40,000 students and 21 countries, a moment of true pride for India and Nosegay.
Akshara, what inspired you to take part in this global competition and how did you prepare for it?
My curiosity to learn many scientific things, and also my desire is to represent my country at international level. And I also keep participating in many science competitions which help me in most.
Sir, what do you think sets Nosegay apart in preparing for such international competitions?
You know, Rome was not built in a day. So it's a regular practice of several years that has made Nosegay give its recognition at international level. We are working day and night. We go for the competitions, then we prepare the students accordingly. We go for one competition at a time. I remember in 2020, our girls, three of our girls, they represented in IRCC, International Research Conference for Children. That is the event from USA, Portland, USA. And the girls, they won the event and they were awarded 20,000 rupees cash. So that was the first event. Then our students, they have participated in Climate Science Olympiad. That is an international event. Then they are moving for BRICS Maths. That is an international competition. And now we have come to international astronomy and astrophysics competition. Akshara Gupta, she has qualified for pre-final. It's a matter of great honor for the school. And to talk about Akshara, she is very much science enthusiast, what I can say. She has also received the APJ Abdul Kalam Innovative Creativity Award 2 years back. She was also selected for ISRO visit through Yuvika, and she is doing wonderfully. So I congratulate all the teachers, the science faculties who are working day and night to make our students shine at national international level.
Ma'am, what are your thoughts on Akshara Gupta's performance in this recent competition?
Yeah, but I am very much happy. When I heard about Akshara Gupta, she selected in pre-international competition. So I give best wishes to her.